The TiCi was a minimalist, mini-based microcar created by designer Anthony Hill, a Royal College of Art graduate and lecturer at Loughborough College of Art and Design. Hill had a broad industrial design background, working with Ford, Hawker Siddeley, and on products ranging from motorcycles to wheelchairs. By the mid-1960s, he turned his attention to building an extremely compact commuter car, something smaller and more agile than the already tiny Mini. Hill founded TiCi Cars Limited in 1966 and built the first prototype, the Tiniest 1, in 1968, famously in his own kitchen. It was a tiny, rear-engine two-seater using a 500 cubic centimeters Triumph Daytona motorcycle engine, interconnected suspension, and a body made from cotton-reinforced resin similar to the Trabant's Duroplast. Just 6 feet long, it demonstrated Hill's concept for a square car with minimal overhang and maximum maneuverability. Although promising, lack of funding halted further development. Hill revived the concept around 1971. The second version, the TiCi Kit 2, replaced the motorcycle engine with an 850 cubic centimeters BMC Mini engine, gearbox, and the Mini's entire front subframe mounted at the rear to create a mid-engine layout. The front suspension used Mini hubs and wishbones attached directly to a Fibreglass monocoque with small coilover units. Body production was handled by Bourne Plastics, later known for early Lotus Elise bodies and British rail train nose cones. Every TiCi came in bright yellow gel coat. The TI measured only 89 inches in length, around 3 feet shorter than its Mini donor. Its monocoque consisted of 2 main fiberglass moldings, plus separate dashboard, engine cover, and rear skirt. A steel-reinforced windscreen frame and rollover bar offered minimal safety, but Hill promoted the car confidently. Launched in January 1972 at the Evening News Motor Show boat on a ferry in London, the TiCi quickly gained media attention. It appeared on Tomorrow's World, Record Breakers, and Blue Peter. Racing legend Sterling Moss served as a key promoter and was photographed driving the car across Westminster Bridge. Other celebrity users included members of Showaddywaddy, Clive Sinclair, and possibly Eartha Kitt. The kit cost £395, with optional detachable doors and a hardtop at £35 each. A comprehensive package included wiring, suspension components, hydraulic systems, fuel tank, screen, and hardware. The buyer needed only donor Mini components. Despite strong publicity, fewer than 40 kits were sold. 12 went abroad, including 6 to Spain and 6 to Japan. TiCi Cars Limited and TiCi Sales Limited entered liquidation at the end of 1973. In 1974, remaining assets, including complete cars, kits, and molds, were offered for sale. The rights were purchased by Rodney Butterfield, then a Loughborough student who later moved to the United States and still owns his TiCi. Today, the TiCi is extremely rare. Collector Paul Wilde, a major authority on mini-based specials, owns multiple examples and rebuilt a 1972 pre-production prototype. One car previously used by Showaddywaddy carried a giant Kodak camera as a promotional tool. Others survive as restorations, unfinished kits, or static displays. Although produced in small numbers, the TiCi remains one of the most distinctive mini-based cars ever built. Its 50-inch wheelbase, rear-mounted Mini engine, and striking wedge-shaped fiberglass body make it a standout example of 1970s British ingenuity. From its kitchen-built prototype to its scattered survivors in Japan, Spain, the United Kingdom, and the United States, the TiCi tells a story of eccentric engineering, bold design, and the enduring charm of wildly small cars.